This is the only tutorial you will need to watch when it comes to buying reps. I've been doing this for over 5 years and spent thousands of dollars on every method there is, so I'll make sure to cover everything you need to know. By the end of this, you'll know how to get any shoes, clothes, accessories, literally anything you can think of from China, except for 10 times to 100 times cheaper than normal. And yes, they're all insanely good quality, and yes, you can do this from any country. Now let's get right into it. As you can see, we're on the USFans homepage. The link for this and everything else shown in this video will be down in the description below. Before I show you guys how to purchase anything, I think it's important for you guys to understand what USFans is and to make sure you understand how it works. So USFans is a shipping agent, and they pretty much work like a middleman. They do not sell any products themselves. They simply just purchase products for us from Chinese sellers that we're not able to purchase from, because most Chinese sellers do not offer to ship their items out of country to us directly. So USFans will purchase the items for us, store it in their warehouse, take quality check photos to show us how the items look, then will give us the option to refund it or ship it to us if we think it looks good. Now that you know how it works, first you'll have to create an account. If you'd like to get over $800 in shipping coupons, make sure to sign up with the link in the description or enter in this code when creating your account. It does slightly support me, but it mostly benefits you. Once you're logged in and verified your email, make sure to select your language and currency up here. It'll make everything a lot easier. After all of that, we can finally start looking for products. There's 3 main ways to find items. The first way is to look through FashionReps Reddit page. Here, people usually post their hauls and items they find, and will usually have the links in their post. So if you found a Weedian haul with an item you like, just click on the post, and sometimes they'll have item reviews up here or somewhere in the comments along with the item links. These links will either be a Weedian, TAOBAO, or 1688 link. When you find the link to the item you want, just copy it. Then go back to USFans and paste it in the search bar. It'll pull up the item, and sometimes the picture here will be clear and sometimes it'll be blurry. If it is blurred or anything, don't worry, you will still get the item it's supposed to be. The seller just has to do it for copyright reasons. If the item is popular enough, you can use the same link and paste it into what to cop to see the quality check photos of the item. Here, it'll show you images of the item that other people have received in their warehouse, so you can see if the item's good quality or not, and so you can expect yours to look the same. Going back to the item, now you'll have to choose what color and size you want. Most of the time, items are true to size according to the brand, but just to double check, I usually copy the size chart and put it into ChatGPT along with my height and weight and how I want the item to fit on me. Then ask what size would fit. Once you choose that, you can select how many you want, then click buy now or add to cart. The second method for finding items is through spreadsheets. This is honestly my favorite method because spreadsheets are organized better and have a variety of items. I personally made one with the best items I found, and I add over 50 items to it every single day. It's fully integrated within my Discord server, so it's so much easier to use whether you're looking on a computer or your phone. The link for that will be down in the description. It's definitely worth checking out. I know you'll find a lot of cool items you'll like from it. Every item I add here I either personally bought in the past or seen a good review someone posted on the FashionReps Reddit. So every item on here is good one-to-one quality unless I say they're not. But as you can see, there's all of these categories on here, and I add so many new items every single day, so make sure to join. Once you look through here and see an item you like, you can either bookmark it by right-clicking it, going to apps, and clicking bookmark. Or to open it up, press the link button here and it'll take you right to the USFans item page. Then it'll be the exact same purchasing process as before. With shoes, the size is most of the time in EU sizing, so if you don't know your EU size, you can just look up shoe size chart converter and convert your size to EU. Sometimes they won't show the shoe size and they'll make you leave a remark. Just select remark size and then down here put both your US and EU size and click add to cart, and they'll end up being the size you put. Lastly, the third method for finding items will be through Yupoo stores. You can find a list of a bunch of Yupoo stores in my Discord right here. Yupoo stores are like a Chinese seller's website. One big Yupoo store is Husky Reps. Husky carries almost every single brand in every category of clothes. For example, if you wanted to look at any brand, you can go here, or if I just wanted to look at hoodies, I can scroll down and go here. And they have pretty much everything. Once you found one you like, just click on it and it'll have the link here along with the size chart and other pictures down here. You can copy this link and paste it into USFans just like earlier. Many Yupoo sellers will blur out the pictures here, but again, if they do, don't worry, it'll be the item you put the link in for. And Husky is not the only Yupoo seller. There are hundreds of different Yupoo sellers. I'll have a bunch listed in my Discord for different types of items, so make sure to check that out. Some sellers might only sell clothes, some only watches, some jewelry. It all depends on the seller. Now that you know every method to find items and have some stacked up in your cart, just go to your cart up here and select the items you want USFans to purchase. Then just click submit. And I just want to mention this now, the price you see here is not the final price and they are not going directly to you yet. Once you click submit, they're going to the USFans warehouse and they will store them for you and take pictures of them for you. If the items look flawed or bad in the pictures they take, you can refund them. If they look good, you can keep them and store them for up to 90 days before you're ready to ship them to you. Depending on where you live and how big the package is, the price will be different. A small package package to the UK might cost $25, and a really large package to the United States might cost $200. So that shipping price will be added on top of this price. If you want to see how much your items will cost to ship to you, you can use this estimator up here, then fill in the info. For the estimated box dimensions and weight, I usually just tell ChatGPT what items I'm getting and ask it how big my box will be in centimeters and how much it'll weigh in grams. Then just fill in that info and click search. So once you have all of your items selected, just click submit. When you get to this screen, choose your country, then check this box, and then click submit. Then just put your billing address and you can pay with either balance, PayPal, or credit card. Then just click confirm and pay. Once your items are paid for, it'll show up in your orders tab. And as you can see, I already ordered a lot. If this video gets 50 likes, I'll make a haul unboxing video showing all of these items and the quality of it. So if you'd like to see that, make sure to subscribe and join my Discord in the description. Also, all of these items can be found in the Discord spreadsheet, but there is a process once you submit your items. It'll go from purchasing to purchased to seller shipped to delivered. Once they're delivered, USFans will show you your quality check pictures of your items. This whole process only takes around 3 days, so it's not that bad. Once you get the QC pictures, you'll have 1 week to choose to refund it or keep it. But once your item says stored, it'll show up in the warehouse tab. This is where you'll choose all of your items you want to ship to you. Just select all the items you want to ship together. I do recommend shipping in bulk since it'll save you on average shipping cost per item. I try to keep my packages under 10 kilograms to avoid any suspicion during customs clearance, so I have the least chance of getting seized. And for all of you guys who are worried about getting seized, don't be. I shipped over 50 hauls in my life and I never got seized once. Just buy insurance just in case and stay under 10 kilograms and you should be good. Once you have everything you want selected, just click submit for delivery. When you get here, you'll have to put your shipping address. And down here, you can choose what kind of packing materials you'd like. It's totally up to you, but I usually just get stretch film. Also, if you get shoes with shoe boxes, I recommend telling them to fold the shoe boxes, which will save you a lot on shipping. Now, once you scroll down, you can choose your shipping line. It is different for every single country, but I usually just choose the cheapest option with decent delivery time. Also, remember to use the sign up link in the description. The shipping coupons will make this price so much cheaper. Once you choose your shipping line, you'll have to enter the tax declared value. And most of the time, I just click auto declare and it does a good job. Then just put the coupons you get with creating an account through the link or any other ones you have. If you already used all of your coupons, then don't worry, USFans has events very often, which gives you a lot of chances to get a lot more. And always make sure to get insurance. It's cheap and it'll really save you if you do get seized. It's a super rare chance, but it could always happen. After all of that, just check the box and click submit. Then just pay like you did previously in the video. After you paid, the package will show up in the parcel tab. And this is where you'll find the tracking number in a couple of days and any information you need to know about your package. Once you get your tracking number, it will arrive in about a week. And if you do want to track it, I recommend using 17 Track. That was a full-on guide on everything you need to know about using a shipping agent. I hope all of you guys learned something with this video. If you guys need help with anything throughout this process, feel free to join my Discord in the description. I'm sure I or someone else will help you. And even if you don't need help, it's still a really chill place to hang out and you will get video updates. By the time you're watching this, there could also be a giveaway going on in there as well, so make sure to join. I usually do a giveaway with every haul unboxing video I post. Also, make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this and also the haul unboxing once this reaches 50 likes. Without wasting any more time, thank you guys so much for watching the video.